Have you ever wondered where your medicine comes from? Contrary to popular belief, it's not just laboratories and pharmacies, it's the rainforest, the world's living pharmacy. This fascinating realm houses a wealth of medicinal plants, many of which have been integral to human health for centuries. Think of it this way. The rainforest is like an enormous, open-air laboratory, teeming with over 25% of all natural medicines we know today. From painkillers to cancer treatments, these are nature's remedies, born from the bosom of the rainforest. But what's even more exciting is the untapped potential that lies beneath the canopy. There are millions of species, each with unique chemical concoctions waiting to be discovered. Hidden within their leaves, their roots, their petals, could be the cure for diseases we've yet to conquer. So the next time you take a pill, remember it might have started its journey in a rainforest. Ever thought about where your water comes from? The world's rainforests are like massive sponges, soaking up rainfall and releasing it slowly into rivers and streams. They are integral players in the water cycle, a never-ending global process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Picture this: a droplet of water evaporates from the ocean, travels on the wind, and falls as rain in a lush tropical rainforest. The forest's dense canopy and rich soil absorb the rain, preventing it from immediately rushing back to the sea. Instead, the rain seeps into underground reservoirs or trickles into rivers, eventually making its way back to the ocean, ready to begin the cycle anew. But what happens when we remove these sponges, these rainforests? Deforestation disrupts this delicate balance. Without the trees to absorb and gradually release the rain, water can rush back to the ocean too quickly, causing droughts in some areas and floods in others. So when you take that next sip of water, remember, it might have been a raindrop in the Amazon just a few weeks ago. What if I told you that you owe every second breath to a place you've probably never been to? Yes, the rainforests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth, and for good reason. These lush, green expanses are not just visually breathtaking, but also literally breathe life into our world. Consider the trees, the silent sentinels of these forests. They absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming, and produce oxygen, which we all need to survive. It's a simple, yet crucial exchange. Without these trees, our planet would struggle to sustain life as we know it. And yet, deforestation continues to devastate these essential ecosystems, increasing global carbon levels and reducing our supply of oxygen. This is not just about losing a forest, it's about disrupting a delicate balance that supports life on Earth. So with every breath you take, remember, it's a gift from the rainforest. Did you know rainforests are the most biodiverse places on Earth? Imagine a bustling metropolis, but instead of concrete and steel, it's made of leaves, vines, and towering trees. This verdant city is home to millions of species that quite simply can't be found anywhere else. From the tiny leafcutter ants laboring in the undergrowth to the majestic jaguars prowling in the shadows, the rainforest is a never-ending symphony of life. And it's not just about the big and the small, but also the weird and wonderful. Creatures like the glass frog with its transparent belly, or the toucan with its oversized, vibrant beak. But it's not just a collection of random inhabitants. Each species plays a vital role, interconnected in a delicate web of life that sustains the entire ecosystem. When one thread is pulled, the entire tapestry can unravel. So remember, when we protect the rainforest, we're not just saving trees, we're saving millions of lives. Now that you understand the wonders and importance of rainforests, what can you do to help? Firstly, you can reduce your consumption. Every product we buy has a footprint, a cost to the environment. By consuming less, we can reduce the demand for resources that are often sourced from rainforests. Secondly, support sustainable products. Look for items that are certified as sustainable or eco-friendly. Supporting these businesses can encourage others to follow suit, promoting a market that values our rainforests rather than exploits them. Lastly, spread awareness. Talk to your friends, family, and community about the importance of rainforests. Share your knowledge and inspire others to take action. Use your social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. The tropical forests are not just the Earth's lungs, They are the heart of our planet, beating with life and diversity. Remember, the fate of our rainforests is in our hands. It's up to us to protect them.